Hello guys and girls, I'm back with another unboxing with geekgear books. Hoping this is the Injustice box. It's got red sugar paper with ho 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 written on it. What do we have? Looks like we've got 2 teas for the month of November. Who are these folk? Batman, Wonder Woman, The Flash, Black Adam, Cyborg, and Superman. We have another tee. No, actually, this one's a sweatshirt. My bad. Of Wonder Woman. Yay. Wonder Woman! Oh, we've got a Superman mug here. Yay for Superman. Always reminds me of my childhood. Happy days. I was hoping for a figurine, but instead we've got a pocket-sized torch that projects the bat symbol. Christmas card. Oh, come on, guys. Really? Well, folks, looks like it wasn't worth it after all that kerfuffle for this geekgear exclusive print that has already been ripped open. Well, I'm unsubscribing permanently. Kind of disappointing. The only thing of value here is this mug and maybe these teas. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with the clickbait either. I guess that's it. This could be my final box. If you guys have any suggestions, any unboxings that you'd like covered on this channel, please leave your comments down below. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for being awesome. I would really like some unboxing suggestions, please. Also, please remember that my campaign is still active. The link will be in the description below. Do what you can, share it, donate as little as you want. With your help, I'm just that one step closer. This is B signing off for Wheelie Goood.